we got a little WhatsApp update. So WhatsApp is going to delay its privacy changes. Did you just get paywalled? Goodness gracious. Did we buy the New York Times yet? I can't remember. No, we didn't. That's another subscription we have to add to our $10,000 a year of subscriptions that we have for the purpose of the show. We do it for you guys. Anyway, WhatsApp has delayed privacy changes amid the backlash, which I think, by the way, is, well, it's an obvious move because you're hoping for things to just simmer down a little bit.
Yes.
And you may still have identical plans, but you're like, you know what? Take some time, think about it. Keep using the app, keep loving it. In the meantime, we'll give you some more features. We'll get you more hooked. And then when you see the thing the second time around, we can't do the news all over again. So we'll just delay it. So what they're going to do is move these changes to May 15th from February 8th so that people have more time to make their plans around what they're going to choose to do. Now, they at the same time have said, trust us, this stuff is not as bad as it was originally sounding. It's only nothing changes for you. It's between you and businesses and whatever else.
But hey, how come we can't opt out?
No.
No?
No. Just chill for a bit. It's May 15th now. That's so far in the future, you don't even need to think about it. Just keep using the app. Please, just keep using the app. Make sure you keep using the app, and then we'll hit you with a little update at some point later on when you no longer care. Yeah. So they're going to do the thing of just putting it on pause for now, trying to make their case. I don't know how successful it will be. We talked about the huge download numbers. I think Signal was actually down today for a period of time. A few people tweeted me showing me that they couldn't send and receive messages, getting bombarded. And this was one of the fears people had around a company that is not for profit, a company that is a nonprofit organization. There's some curiosity, I guess, around scale and ability to maintain services at an astronomical increase in user count. I'm sure they'll figure it out, but for the time being, they're just getting bombarded. And you wonder what will happen. If people have outages for a period of time, do they just flip back to WhatsApp and they're like, fine, I need to send this message. Take my privacy. But remember, there's also Telegram out there. You give that one a shot. But I think it's just hot at Signal right now. Give them some time to increase their capacity.